Hi, my name is Aneya Marie and I am with ClownAntics.com. Today I'm going to show you how to use a magic bag. So I'm going to make something magical happen. I love this outfit, but I think it's missing something. So here is my magic bag, and I'm going to make an accessory to my outfit appear. On the count of 3, I will say my magic words, and I will magically make something beautiful for myself. 1, 2, 3, bibbidi bobbidi kazam. Let's see what I got. Oh my goodness. Oh, how wonderful. Oh, just what I needed. It smells great. How's it look? Good? Oh, I'm so glad. This bag is awesome. I would have never expected there would be a garden inside. So I have a magic bag here, and this is a 2-compartment magic bag. And it is very useful. As you can see, there's a little trick right here. So there's 2 little compartments. You fill one side and leave one side empty. During your tricks, it's very important to show the inside of your bag and to make sure that the audience knows that it's empty. You don't want to put too much into one side. There are 3 pocket bags that you can look into. And for this trick, you can pull out so many things. I actually do a lot of tricks out of this bag. Just in between each trick, show that the bag is empty. So the illusion is that you are actually creating something out of nothing. For birthday parties or special occasions that is celebrating one person, I usually pull something small. If it's a boy, maybe an action figure. If it's a girl, maybe a princess ring or magic wands. Anything that you can find to just let them keep. It's always so fun to have a gift for the person that you are pulling up to help you with this magic trick. But I usually pull somebody up and I ask them to wave their magic fingers and say their favorite magic word. And when they do, I flip the pocket, reach in, and pull out magically what I had asked for. Today, I made myself a flower. And you switch it back so that if they don't believe you, well, the bag was empty the whole time. It is important that you don't get too many things that are very heavy because people will be able to see the weight in the bag. I have a candle and a candle holder. That's probably the heaviest thing that I would put into this bag unless it was bigger. And also be careful putting it down on a table when there's a lot of things in it. People will see the weight and they will hear what's inside. Thank you so much for tuning in. For more information on our products, visit our links below, and don't forget to like and share.